about IKN gave me some information? Oh, yes. I was curious about that. But what is IKN anyway? Here, I will tell you what IKN is. Think from law number 3 of 2022 concerning national capital. The national capital or IKN is a special regional government unit at the provincial level. The territory is the seat of the national capital as determined and regulated of this law.
As we know, IKN has now changed its name to the National Capital or IKN of Nusantara. The word archipelago was known even before Indonesia became independent. Apart from that, another reason for choosing Nusantara as the name of the new capital city is because the word is already very iconic in the national world. This word also describes our archipelago, the Republic of Indonesia.
As we know, initially our country capital was in Jakarta. Why Jakarta? In 1961, President Soekarno formed the Special Capital Region Government of Greater Jakarta. DKI Jakarta was then assigned as the capital city of the Republic of Indonesia with the name Jakarta Law Number 10 of 1964 on 31 August 1964.
All activities are found in Jakarta, from politics, government, economics, education to various community activities, all of which are centered in the city. So, the center of foreign trade is concentrated in this region. Until now, Jakarta is still the center of the Indonesia economy.
Why does typical the state in Jakarta? Okay. Yes, I will explain why the capital is. The location of the national capital or IKN from Jakarta to East Kalimantan will soon be carried out following the approval of the draft law on the national capital. And the government has also chosen Nusantara as the name of the new capital city.
The reason why the capital cannot remain in Jakarta are 1. Overpopulation. The main reason for relocating the capital is the overpopulation in Jakarta and Java. The burdens on Jakarta and the island of Java are too heavy, including traffic congestion, pollution, and population density. Second, economic contribution to GDP. According to data from the Central Statistic Agency, in 2018, the economic contribution to GDP from the island of Java was 58.99%. Third, clean water crisis. Based on data from the Ministry of Public Works and Housing (PUPR), in 2016, Java is experiencing a severe water crisis. Some areas are marked yellow, indicating water scarcity stress. Fourth, threats of floods, earthquakes, and land subsidence in Jakarta. About 50% of Jakarta has a flood safety level below a 10-year return period. Additionally, Jakarta is threatened by volcanic activity and the potential for earthquakes or tsunamis.
Oh, so it's like that. But why region? And since when did the capital city plan to be moved?
The location of the capital city IKN has been a topic of discussion since the era of President Soekarno in 1957 and also during the presidency of Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono in the 1990s. However, the serious effort to relocate the capital city was undertaken by President Joko Widodo on April 29, 2019.
With various considerations, the new capital city was ultimately designated in East Kalimantan Province. The selection of the location in East Kalimantan was based on several considerations. First, minimal disaster risk. Second, strategic location. Third, proximity to already developed urban areas. Fourth, relatively complicated infrastructure. And lastly, availability of 180,000 hectares of government-owned land.
Is it true that the community approval of the IKN happened in Kalimantan?
Minister of National Development Planning or Head of the National Development Planning Agency Lembaga Negara Uang Said having the capital for part of the threat of global recession in Indonesia.
He also believes that there will be equality and lots of job opportunities in the relocation of the national capital, so that it can encourage good economic growth. But the East Kalimantan Community Coalition firmly rejects IKN. The East Kalimantan Community Coalition is also concerned that IKN could displace the land of indigenous communities such as the Balik and Pasir tribes, as well as transmigrants who live in the Sepaku area, North Penajam, Pasir Gensi.
Let's support the Indonesian government regarding IKN development in Kalimantan. Sparkling in diversity, Kalimantan is government regarding IKN development in